Wow, just got off. That was incredible. Unbelievable. Today's adventure brings us to Hersheypark, where a new ride has opened up. That ride over there as we pass it. Welcome back to our channel, Relaxing Reality. Got an empty back seat and empty passenger seat. It's just myself tonight. I made my way over to Hersheypark to ride just one ride, and that is Wildcat's Revenge. And I'm in the season pass parking lot. You can see the top hat of it, Wildcat's Revenge, right over there over the hill. And Wildcat's Revenge actually opens in a couple short days. I get to experience it before it's open to the general public. As a season pass holder, king size pass holder, I get a special invite. I get to ride it once, just once. Cause I got a golden ticket. I got a golden white ticket that says I can go on the ride. And there are a lot of people leaving the park right now. I mean, it is around 6 o'clock in the evening. And not much of a line getting in, obviously. There's no one here. I shouldn't say that. There's a lot of people here, but a lot of people are leaving right now. The sign isn't out yet, but we got to go this way to the Wildcat's Revenge. People have been posting some videos. Not really good quality. Looking for an official POV video when that comes out from Hersheypark. That'll be cool. Right now, it's just a bunch of people filming things with their camera glasses. And last time we were here, Tidal Force wasn't even open yet, so it's kind of cool that it's open now. And as we make our way to the back of the park here, just want to remind everyone, I am not a roller coaster expert. If I use the wrong terminology, it's because I generally don't know what things are called. I just know that this has 140 feet height, 4 inversions, and it sounds like it's going to be absolutely crazy. In a part of the preview here, you get one ride and that's it. They even assign you where you're going to sit, so I'll just get whatever they get me. I don't know if there's a more meaner entrance sign than this right here. Look how awesome this is. And people are lining up already for the 6:30 time slot. Yep, and my boarding position, if you want to call it that, is 6:30 to 7:30.
Oh, okay.
All right, this is super exciting. There are lockers when you get up to the front of the line, and that's where you can drop off your loose items and phones and wallets and keys and all that stuff. And that first drop, 140 feet, and it takes you right into a world's largest underflip is what they're calling it. That's an underflip right there. So Rocky Mountain construction design hybrid. What makes these unique is the wooden beams, they still have those in place, but it's obviously a steel track with steel beams. So it's very smooth compared to just a regular roller coaster, wooden roller coaster. My favorite part, the 0G right there. And just watching people's reactions, they're going absolutely bonkers. As the track ends there, people are just loving it. And as you make your way to the front of the line here, before you get into the building, there's a locker station. Now it's a pass-through locker, so you put your stuff in one side, and then when you leave, you get it on the other side. There's a total of 4 inversions on this thing. It's pretty nuts. Everything I've read about it online, everything I've seen about it, it's highly impressive for a hybrid. And everyone's reactions, everyone's going nuts. I'm telling you, right when you're looking straight up at it, it looks pretty cool. 140 feet high. Wow, just got off. That was incredible. Unbelievable. I know that's a cliche word to use for a roller coaster, but wow. 4 inversions. It was just awesome. And I think Hersheypark has got a hit on our hands. This is an awesome roller coaster. This is our 3rd time in the park right now, coming to Hersheypark, but it's definitely unique. And during the previews, you did not get to choose a seat. I got the middle seat. And I would say probably towards the back would probably be even more intense. but it felt very, very smooth. Is the best way to describe it. You felt like you were flying through the air. And with the 4 inversions and then that middle point of the coaster where you're upside down, it's just incredible. It feels like you're floating in air. What an awesome roller coaster. And I mean, I've been on Sky Rush, and that's like the wildest ride here. It goes like, I don't know, 70 plus miles an hour. But this one gets up to 62 miles per hour. And that first drop is, you really do feel it. And the time now is about 7:35. The park closed at 7 o'clock tonight. Again, it's a Tuesday night that filming this. Just came here for Wildcat's Revenge. And it's really cool just being here at Hersheypark after park closes. Just less crowds. Everyone's kind of making their way out. Great time for some photo ops. And just to recap where Wildcat's Revenge is, you got the entrance of the park over here. You basically just hang to the left, just keep going all the way to the back of the park. That's where it is, right there. We got the other employees here, the geese cleaning up all of the table scraps. And of course you have to say goodbye to Mr. Hershey himself. We have this nice little plaque here for him. And I think this is one of my favorite views when you come in to the park entrance. You have that fountain right over there in the shape of a Hershey kiss. And I just can't get over how smooth Wildcat's Revenge is. Very smooth. Didn't jostle you around. It was a pleasant experience. And if you're new to roller coasters, you may want to try Wildcat's Revenge, because it's the first drop isn't that too bad. You kind of got ease on into it if you're in the front row. And I tell you, the inversions are very well done, and I just thoroughly enjoyed that ride. I think it's definitely going to be a top coaster in this area. Definitely one of the top coasters at Hersheypark. I've been on Candemonium. That was really smooth as well. Very compared to the smoothest of that, I think it's about comparable to Candemonium. Sky Rush is a very jostling, bumpy ride, very wild. But I just enjoyed that so much. So appreciate you tagging along here and watching this video. We plan on having more Hersheypark adventures in the future. I actually definitely can't wait to take my son on this ride. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you know, it's something we're going to do in the near future. So if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. It really helps with the channel, and thanks for relaxing in reality with us. Have an awesome evening. And I got so excited, I actually walked to the wrong part of the parking lot. I gotta go past the stadium over here. Wow, what an evening.